Every airplane has to have an annual inspection every year to be legal to fly. This video is a montage of me putting the belly panels back on my Mooney after an annual inspection. I hope you enjoy. This is the aftmost panel. The side to get it all aligned. And there we go. Everything else should be easy. Ha ha ha. The first panel, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 16, 17, 18, 19 screws. This is the next panel to go on. This is the big yucky one that causes all the swearing. So these go into the panel that I just put in, and these go into the structure of the airplane. The second panel screws, 45. Alright, well, now it's hanging up. Now we just need to put all the screws in it. It's the one with the marker beacon in it that I'm going to put in next. Here are its screws. 41. So this slides in the left. Okay, begin C is in. Alright, so now I just need to remember to keep my elbow on it so it doesn't fall. The forwardmost of the panels that span the entire fuselage left to right. 5, 10, 15, 20, 23 1032 stainless steel screws, and then there are 5 of these countersunk, maybe number 6 screws, which go here right around the nose gear. Hey, it actually bit. Okay, one more check of that. Panel A right, where all the co-pilot's brakes are. Sheet metal screws, including the special one with a snap head. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you like airplane stuff or want to see some of my upcoming electronics or VW videos, please click like and subscribe. Participate in the maintenance of your vehicles and never stop figuring stuff out.